It starts with an idea to share your part of the world with visitors and open their eyes to the beauty, ecology, luxury, awareness, rest, reconnect or disconnect, whatever they've been searching for. Whether your business has been around for 20 years, 10 years, or you're just starting up your experience, you are aware that you need to be online and have a system in place to support you. So you know you need to find a booking system. However, you don't know where to start in finding one that fits your unique needs. Bookable Tourism has been designed to help you navigate the world of travel booking technology, specifically for tours, activities and attractions, as well as small hotels and vacation rentals. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, Bookable Tourism helps you determine exactly what your business needs and matching it to the best system that helps you meet your requirements, as well as meeting your customers' expectations. Supporting this is access to education on building realistic marketing and distribution strategies, specifically for tourism businesses. These are broken down into steps that are easy to follow and supported by user-friendly templates. Bookable Tourism wants to empower more businesses to take control of their marketing and distribution and remove that university degree complexity. My name is Meredith Rangel, and I am the founder of Bookable Tourism. I've worked in the tourism industry for nearly 20 years, working in marketing and distribution across hotels, attractions, and booking technology. It was my time working in the technology space where I helped hundreds of businesses install new systems and also coached them through the distribution process, navigating the world of net rates, travel acronyms, and the total reach that distribution can do for you. However, it's here where I felt the frustrations of what many businesses felt in procuring technology, and I saw firsthand the limited knowledge many had in what the process actually looks like, and this often resulted in an unhappy outcome. Therefore, I developed a simplified procurement process for tourism businesses, so they would feel secure in their decision that the system that they chose is best for their businesses and their customers. Having headed up digital marketing for a global technology company, I also wanted to teach tourism operators just how simple it can be in developing and executing a great marketing and distribution strategy. Tourism is a passion for me, as well as a career, and success is defined through seeing thriving tourism operators delivering phenomenal experiences to their guests, which is ultimately what we're all here for.